morning, grade 5s. We're carrying on with multiplication this week, and today we're going to look at word problems. Now, before you look at the word problems, let's go through the tips and the clues on how to solve a word problem. The first one is to read the problem. And don't just read it once, read it twice until you have a good understanding of it. Then you need to write down a number sentence to show what you plan to do. And then you need to show all of your working out. So let's have a look at a word problem together. Janet is 15 years old. Her grandmother is 5 times older than Janet. How old is Janet's grandmother? Okay, so let's look at what we know. We know that Janet is 15 years old. We know that her grandmother is 5 times older than her. So, if Janet is 15 years old, and we want to know what is 5 times more than 15, that is our number sentence, and this is what we need to work out. I'm going to do both methods of working out for you because some of you have chosen to do down sums and some of you have chosen to do the breaking up method. I'll do the breaking up method first. Remember that 15 is 10 plus 5. 10 times by this 5 and 5 times by this 5. 10 times by 5 is 50. 5 times by 5 is 25. And if we add those up, we get 75. So we know that Janet's grandmother is 75 years old. Let's do it as a down sum. 15 multiplied by 5. 5 times by 5 is 25. 5 times by 1 is 5 plus the 2 is 7. Same answer, different method. And then don't forget to answer the question. Janet's grandmother is 75 years old. Now for exercise 78 on page 146, you are given 5 word problems. You may do the down method or you may do the breaking up method, but remember to follow the steps on how to solve word problems.